customer states, my vehicle when accelerating sounds like a jet engine taking off. We found the hub making a noise. Now I am going to demonstrate this tool over here. I just made a short on, but I didn't actually show me using it. So we got that hub puller right there. I'm gonna show y'all how I use it and how it's supposed to be used, and I will link some of them down below if y'all like this method. If not, then there's other tools out there to help assist remove the hub. So I'm gonna strip down. I need to take my work shirt off so that I can be in frame. So let's get it. All right, so this vehicle has little to no rust, as y'all can see. Now this, I usually use this for when vehicles are truly rusted. But this should come out fine. It should come out with ease either way, especially with the impact. So we're gonna take the brake caliper off, we're gonna hang it, take the brake rotor, and then we're gonna take the axle nut, push the axle in, that way we can access the bolts from behind, and then we'll set up the tool. I think these are 20, nope, they're 19s. Now let's compress this piston just a tad to aid in going back on. All right, there we go. Now using the Rex Monster, make sure we're in reverse. Ooh, ease. Good other one. Money. It's a money shot. I just realized I did not grab mine. Oh, get off of there. Oh, didn't grab a chingadera for the caliper. A hook. Ah. Got a hook right here. Get that up out of the way. Get our nuts out the way. Rotor. Set it where nobody's gonna knock it over. Take the cotter pin out. Y'all ain't even seeing what I'm doing right now. That's fine. There's a little washer, or it's like a axle nut lock. There we go. Look at that. I ain't even got to do much for that. Push it back as far as I can. This one, I'll try to take the wheel speed sensor off. The other one I didn't because it was too rusted. Oh, come on. Yeah, this one came out just fine. Y'all see that right there? Heard an extended crank over there. What's going on with that? All right, spin this. Yeah. Turn that some. Get me a 17 swivel. With ease. Those are both loose. Ow. Oh, the hub's already coming off. I'm still gonna show y'all. So this is already coming off. That's why we normally don't use these tools. It's just, let's set up for demonstration. Now I will link the Lisle one and the one I have. Same thing, just different names. So you'll set this piece on the lugs or the studs. Set your spacers. And this will help from damaging your lug nuts. And, you know, just hand tight. You ain't really got to crank them down. And then you'll get your shaft, right? This is the pressing point right there. It's flat. This side's hexed. So slip it through. And then you want to find a good point to press on. So what I found is right here. I mean, it'll push in the plate a little bit, but right here is probably the most sturdiest spot. You do have some spot right here, but I didn't like that spot. So I'm gonna spin this down. That's already turning. Get y'all from this angle because the light's really messing it up. We want to hit right there, and then for demonstration purposes I'm going to do it, okay? Because this hub is already loose. I believe this is a 22. So use your 22. Make sure it's on tighten, and it'll do that number, right? Get one side out, and then on the other one, when it was rusted, I just did that number to knock it out, to knock it loose. I think I'm stuck on the axle. Yeah. Give me. There we go. And that is how you use this tool. It works good. That's about my third or fourth time actually using it. When you need it, it comes in handy. It's fairly cheap, and I like it. So hell, again, if y'all like it, check me out down below. Now look, check this video out. This is the rusted one I was talking about. I don't know how I feel about this rust boosh, man. I got to do both these wheel hub bearings. I'm not very happy about it, you see. Yeah. And I know y'all are gonna say at least the dust cover's still there. It's not that rusted, man. It looks like there's some changes that's done to this cast metal, if you ask me. So to me, that is rusty. It's not surface rust right there. I thought I was gonna fight with those brake caliper bolts. They came out all right with my Raptor right there. So now the challenge is gonna be to sneak back there and get those hub bolts. But we'll see how it goes. Can't even get this sensor off, so I'm gonna bolt this back up. It's not even worth me trying to take it off and break it and then have to call extended warranty, and then they're gonna be like, well, that's not our problem. So forget all that. Plus the sensor won't be hit by the bearing because this little cap right there is connected to the axle itself. Don't worry guys, I got it. Certified rust belt mechanic here. Now as y'all can see, this is nearly not as rusted as the other ones. Hell, I even got the other ones over here just to show y'all. Look at that. Yeah, that was one side and this was the other. So I definitely needed that tool on that one. But of course I'm gonna clean this up with a wire wheel, get it in there, clean it up, and then apply some Never Sees in there so we don't have any issues further on down the line. So if y'all liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Comment what tools do y'all use. I'll link a couple more if y'all want. They're down below. I got other tools down there as well. So y'all have yourselves a good rest of the week. Deuce. Right there. Oxidation on the drop belt. Do a video on this. Alright, so this seal, they did not approve these. Is there sufficient pressure for Well, I got a whole bunch of parts right there. And then I bought this one because it was a special edition one time.